At Orbitkey, we believe that life is better when everything has its place. Because when it doesn't, we find ourselves spending time rummaging through mess looking for things, when we'd much rather be organised and productive. So we set out to find a solution. Introducing Nest, the portable and customisable desk organiser for all your everyday essentials. Nest is designed to help you declutter and work more efficiently wherever you are. Following 3 successful crowdfunding campaigns where we transformed key and accessory organisation, we're back to bring beautiful organisation to your work. The lid serves as a premium leather tray, creating a dedicated place for your essentials, with a built-in wireless charger that keeps devices charged while you work, so they're always ready to go. Inside, movable dividers allow you to customise compartments to suit your specific needs. And with everything neatly organised in a shallow compartment, you'll easily locate items at a glance and know instantly if something is missing. Nest features a smart, dual-function hinge system for maximum versatility. The top tray separates from the internal storage for convenient access while you work. Or simply flip it open like a book for quick access on the go. And as for those cards that you don't use often, store them in the lid to free up space in your wallet. Also included is an elastic pouch for smaller items that tend to go astray. And finally, the adjustable pen loop ensures you always have easy access to a pen when you need it. Nest is carefully crafted from premium materials. The foam padded interior will keep your belongings safe and protected as you go about your daily commute. Available in 2 timeless colourways, black and ash, the Orbitkey Nest makes the perfect home for your everyday essentials.
I'm Charles, co-founder of Orbitkey. Our humble beginnings started here on Kickstarter 6 years ago, and this will be our 4th campaign to date. Our community thrives on your open-mindedness and enthusiasm towards new and innovative products. This is why we continue to launch our latest creations here. From our experience of running crowdfunding campaigns, we know it is a long process in the lead-up to delivering the end products to you, which is why we've actually done all the preparation for mass production prior to launching Nest. With your help, we could fund the very first production run of Nest and continue focusing on creating thoughtful products to help you organize better, without the influence of the external investors. Our vision at Orbitkey has always been to create clever organisation for better living, and we hope to have you join us on this journey. On behalf of the team at Orbitkey, thank you.